The Meghalaya SSA School Association (Mssasa) today expressed its opposition to the recent Supreme Court ruling of the 1st of September 2025, which made it mandatory for all school teachers across the country to pass the Teachers Eligibility Test or TET. During the association's general body meeting held at the Mulki Ground, Shillong, Mssasa President Aristotle Rimbai said the court's order would have serious implications on the service of teachers, as those failing to qualify the test could face termination.
Supreme Court ruling kepada penmi daka Honorable Supreme Court akan strip jong by September araja pusan kebala ong baparo kinong hikai kebala don lupa hakakam kihab banpas yaka Teachers Eligibility Test kata kali number 1 kebaal ka Honorable Supreme Court kaong bagi banlait banyale yang kami ka Teachers Eligibility Test kidai gitu kinong hikai kiba ka service joki kasa duna ya kasansnem kabut less than 5 years kung kita kinong hikai kinong don kam ban pass dan ban clear yang kami ka Teachers Eligibility Test kabalai ka Honorable Supreme Court kapenmi ya ka verdict ka bagahong bagi tu kinong hikai wad lada ka retirement ke chongki ke bakin karta bakin chongthai kandai less than 5 years henry lada kiele pat dan ka promotion nabenta joki o kalong mandatory bagi haban pass ya kani ka Teachers Eligibility Test nanta ka Honorable Supreme Court kaong baparo in service teachers mungkin show ya ka service joki laki hikai apo laipo sapos nem mungkin show ya ka service kanong ila adon ban serve kung ki teachers henry ki habit ban pass ya ka Teachers Eligibility Test lem kumta anwen kam yaki kapor ba ka Supreme Court kalabo ban pendep kadai hapo aslem nadur shitrik September 2000 kabamud hapo shitrik September 2000 nyau baro ki in service teachers kidai ban pass ya ka Teachers Eligibility Test kawai ka ba kwa ban pitshai hangni ba kani kam ta taingi kinong hikai SSA kam ta salon sari baro la kidai ki ba hikai haki government la kidai ki ba hikai haki ad hoc kidai ki deficit what kini ki behikai kung ki private teachers lo kan long applicable ya paro khoi kani ka ruling jong ka Supreme Court kan kata kani number 1 kabaal bon kino hikai ki ya krumar chimut kai kani ka Teachers Eligibility Test kadon jika perne em bat kani ka Central Teachers Eligibility Test bat mangi ha Meghalaya kabangi ka Meghalaya Teachers Eligibility Test ni na kalian jong association ni pensyai shapi ba kam don kani ka junior pair apdian kani ka CTET ba KMTET ka CTET kadai balong applicable hagini ki school ki baran ka central government but at the same time kalong applicable hagini ki school ki ba pek ba penyai da ka state government kabumud lada pila pas ya ka CTET kam don kam show bapindang appear biang ya kanika MTET kata kadai number 1 ke pihak bansyai ka CTET kalong equivalent bat ka MTET ladapi pas ya ka CTET don kam show bandang appear ya ka MTET nalor ba ka validity jom ka kan dei hagini ki school ki baranda central government kan longro applicable haki school kapek ba penyai da state government ningla balong ba da Meghalaya government.
Clarifying on the matter, Aristotle Rimbai explained that teachers who have cleared the Central Teachers Eligibility Test or CTET would not be required to appear for the Meghalaya Teachers Eligibility Test or MTET. The meeting also approved the association's plan to file a review petition in the Meghalaya High Court challenging the Supreme Court's directive. Rimbai informed that funds collected by the association in 2022 would be utilized for the legal process. He further cautioned that if the state government fails to respond to the teachers' demands by the end of October 2025, the association would resort to another phase of agitation, the nature of which would be announced later. The leaders of the association are also scheduled to meet Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tunsong to press for the association's demands.
Ini nong rim bangilaong bangin file ya ka review petition. Timentangin shim ya ka jingmenjur. Baru kino hikai SSA ke balai wan siya ka general meeting. Pi menjur na yang bangin file ya ka bangin challenge ya ka ruling jo ka Supreme Court. Kepala penmi ya ka shitrik September aranja posan. Baong ba baro ki service teachers ke aban pas ya ka Teachers Eligibility Test dan ya ka MTET dan ya CTET bangin file ya ka review petition halor kani. Larapi yang menjur penyidak dah kebayar akti. So dah bayar yang terai banyak syai. Kenapa? Kino hikai tu ki kepada Nagaro Hills kila menjur bangin file ya ka review petition. Hang niro ka jo ka sor. Kila kini kila menjur bang file ya ka review petition hang te halor kanika Supreme Court ruling. Kebaan. Hakabay day ba ka cindut cingsa. Na kalian jongi kas kinoilam jo ka central body ngene perkhat bangin ong. Bangga contribution ke bangin adep ai hausnem arjar puar ke bangin ong berada ka sorkar kam address ya ke issue jongi hakabay day ba ka job security bangin file ya ka case apo high court. Hausnem arjar puar ngene adep ai ya ka contribution. Kani ka fund kadang dan menta apo association bat ngiong. Bangga ni ka Supreme Court ruling ke bang mi menta kadai ke bakta ya ka service jongi panadagim challenge ya kadai ka mungkin 1 minit kadai ka jo kading tu ban pen scam ya ka kam ban ngiong ba ngin penden kam da kadai ka fund bala don lo pa ba association ban file ya ka review petition piye benjo ya kata so ba ban penida biang sa jisen na bayar akti Amik scam ba baro ngilay menjur ba Kajinut cingsap kabangin file ya ka review petition ngin shim na ka contribution kabangin adem ai house nem arja buar kabangin abo tengkai hadu mentang yong bala da ka sorkar kam penurlom ya ka jindawa ka jongi ngin file ya ka case hapo high court namang kani kamat kabalong mentang re ka bakta ya ka service ki jong kino hikai kani ka ruling jong ka Supreme Court ngin pendan kam da ketika fund kepala don lupa na benta ban file ya ka review petition menjur pasal siang ano dia menjur na yang bangi ya file bangin file ya ka review petition halor ka Supreme Court ruling pala penmi haka shitrik price September araja pusan ladapi menjur penidak na kabayar akti menjur ka publish bol sebasyon